Have you ever noticed that the photos and videos you share on Threads lose quality? Good news, it's easy to fix. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable uploading media in the highest quality so that every detail, color, and pixel of your photos and videos shines exactly as you intended. Ready to make your posts look professional? Let's get started. First, open the Threads app and log into your profile if you haven't already. Once you're in Threads, the next step is to tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. When you're on your profile, the next step is to tap the two horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to Settings. Once you're in Settings, find the Account section and tap on it. In the Account section, you'll see a variety of options. Find the Media option and tap on it. Here, you'll see two options. All you need to do is toggle the switch next to Upload Highest Quality. And that's it. Once you activate this option, all your photos and videos will automatically upload in the highest possible quality. This means your followers can enjoy every color and detail, and your posts will look much more professional. Simple, fast, and without any loss of quality. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel, Smart Assistant. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon.